Hey Happy Bees, it's Amanda, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you an easy way to make a Rainbow Dash My Little Pony cake. So you're going to start by rolling out some blue fondant and place your template on top. These are the templates that I've created for you, so I'll put a link to those at the end of this video. So you're going to use a knife to trace around the edge of the template. Place your pony's head on top of your cake and use your fingers to soften the edges. I'm using this cake decorating tool here to create some nostrils. And use a dotting tool to give some detail to the smile. I'll put links for all the tools and materials in the description for you. Using a ball of orange fondant, you're going to roll it into a long cone shape to create the hair. So we're going to create 4 strands, an orange strand, a yellow strand, and 2 red strands. Once you've created those, place those on top of the head and make sure you leave room for the eye. Create some longer strands now, and the templates will have all the hair sizes and weights, so you can't go wrong. To create an eye for Rainbow Dash, you're going to use an oval shape of white fondant. You're going to place another oval shape of pink fondant halfway down. You can turn that upside down and trim it off at the bottom. A smaller black piece of oval fondant now for the pupil. And you're going to place that on top of the head, kind of slanted to the side, and brush a tiny little bit of water around the top edges. To create eyelashes, you're going to roll out a long thin piece of black fondant and place that around the top half of the eye. Turn up that bottom corner to create the bottom eyelash. Create 2 more eyelashes using 2 more tiny little pieces of black fondant and position those onto the eye. We're going to use 2 white pieces of fondant now to create catch lights, 1 large oval piece and 1 circle piece. Roll a ball of blue fondant into a teardrop shape and use your finger to create an indentation in the centre. Use some water to secure the ear onto your cake, and if you want to create all the features of this pony or any pony character, the link to the templates is in the description below. Click this video on your screen now if you want to learn how to create more My Little Pony cakes and cake toppers, and I'll see you over there.